we're from the University of Akron. Each one of us is a senior chemical engineering student, but let's let you know a little bit more about the team.
Hi, I'm Will Brown. I'm from Powhatan Point, Ohio. I have interned 3 rotations at Westlake Chemical and 1 rotation at St. Gobain Performance Plastics. I'm excited to pursue this opportunity with TapRooT because I am interested in learning new software for root cause analysis.
Hi, my name is Grace Tolhurst, and my previous experience included interning at DuPont, where I've sat through a few PHA meetings. I'm excited for this competition to learn about a root cause analysis software that is used in industry, and I'm also excited to be a part of the first group to jumpstart this competition.
Hi, my name is Shelby Daniels, and I've spent 2 semesters on co-op with Sherwin-Williams in process engineering. I also do research in wearable hydration sensors for athletes. We often learn about the importance of safety, and I'm excited to understand how I can use TapRoot's root cause analysis software to develop my skills and become a better engineer.
Hello, I'm David Reinhardt from Columbus, Ohio. I've interned 4 times at the Lubrizol Corporation in process development, manufacturing, and project engineering. One of my favorite projects was a PSM-driven initiative to improve the safety of storage tanks. I loved analyzing the safety in the process design, and I'm excited to learn more and dive deeper into safety investigation.
Hi, I'm Sam Starkey, and I'm from East Liverpool, Ohio. My experiences in college have included an internship with 3 rotations at Bridgestone, and I worked as an analytical scientist, and I worked in a lab on campus with Dr. Chong researching CO2 capture. I'm really excited to learn some new industry skills that I didn't have a chance to learn in my past experiences doing lab work.
Go